Hello and welcome to a new episode of Easy English. Before we get started, we have a special announcement to make. Easy English is opening its brand new exclusive channel. From July, we'll be dropping 2 new videos a month. To see more, hit the link in the description below or the link up here, and don't forget to subscribe for more future updates. Anyway, today's episode, we're asking the people of Brighton what their favourite British movie is. Let's go. What is your favourite British movie?
Oh my gosh. I don't know the difference between British and American.
It could even just have a British actor or actress in it.
I like Disney movies,
Oh, okay.
so I don't know which of those are British.
Oh, I don't know. Notting Hill, that's quite good.
Yeah, that's a great one.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you got Welsh in there too.
I think so. Honestly, I don't know. Yeah, Notting Hill's quite good.
You're not a Hugh Grant fan?
James
English.
Bond. I love
James Bond.
Yeah.
What's your favourite Bond?
Skyfall.
An actual James Bond.
Daniel Craig, obviously.
Obviously.
I like Daniel Craig.
Okay. You don't like the Scottish Sean Connery?
No, I don't like him.
Fair enough. And Skyfall, you said?
Yeah, I like Skyfall, yeah.
Will you be watching the new one?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely, 100%.
British movie.
Yeah.
I can't think that fast.
James Bond.
Yeah?
Yeah,
James
definitely.
Bond.
I think James Bond is British, right?
Sure is.
Okay,
and, which Bond movie is your favourite?
I think, Casino Royale.
Okay, so you're a Daniel Craig fan as well.
My favourite film's Straight Outta Compton.
Yeah, that's not British. Not like a Harry Potter fan or like...
Not really.
No?
Harry Potter fan, but I wouldn't say favourite ever.
No?
No.
But do you have a favourite British movie?
I can't think of British movies.
I can't
you-
think of
I
any
can't-
Not
only
one?
American
No.
ones.
Yeah.
Because I'm trying to think of like a British movie I've seen recently, but I can't remember.
You're not like a Harry Potter fan or anything?
No.
No, I've never been to Harry Potter.
Like Colin Firth, Hugh Grant,
Nah.
Jason Statham.
Probably Four Lions, yeah.
Oh, Four Lions.
Four Lions, yeah. They're making a new one, I think, as well about the brothers Israelites in New York. Yeah,
Oh yeah, this
Lions.
is a Chris Morris film, yeah?
yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Great. And what is the premise of the film?
It's for hapless terrorists who are just useless, and they end up pretty much just killing themselves after it all. But yeah, and should have.
Spoiler alert.
Yeah, sorry guys. yeah. But the premise is of 4 hapless terrorists really, and what transpires is comical gold, dark comedy.
What was your favourite movie overall then?
My favourite
So-
movie in general.
Yeah.
I really like Grand Budapest Hotel, Wes Anderson.
Yeah, I love that
that's
too.
my
It's
favourite,
really good.
for sure.
Is there any British actors in that film? I think not.
No, there's what's his name? I forgot his name.
Which guy is he? I'll try and help you.
You know in Sherlock with Robert Downey Jr.
Yeah.
Who played Watson?
Jude Law.
Yeah, Jude Law.
Is he in Grand Budapest Hotel?
I feel like he is.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Hey,
I
Jude
think
Law.
he is. And the guy who played Voldemort as well plays the main guy.
Ah yeah, Ralph Fiennes.
Yes.
There you go, that's perfect.
There we
Oh,
go.
yeah, it's British.
There we go.
Perfect, that's a
There
British
we go.
movie.
El Código Enigma, but I think it's the Imitation Game. It's with Benedict Cumberbatch.
Oh yeah,
It's
the World War II
amazing.
film.
Yeah, that
Oh yeah.
that one.
That was a really good choice.
It's really good. Yeah,
I've not seen that in a long time, but
No way.
he's really good in this, yeah?
It's amazing.
And did he win an award for it?
I have no idea. I think yes,
Maybe.
maybe.
Okay.
I think so.
Maybe.
I don't know.
Yeah, and could you just tell people who haven't seen it what it's about?
No, please. Don't make me do that.
No?
No, I'm not that confident enough.
Okay.
My
He-
English
He's
is
like
not
a
that good, sorry.
puzzle breaker, a code breaker or something, no?
Yeah, it's how the British won the war.
Yeah.
Like they broke the Enigma code, which is a machine from the Germans.
Okay, mine is very naff. Brief Encounter.
Brief Encounter. I don't think I've seen it, but I know the name.
Really love it.
Could you tell me about it?
It was written by Noel Coward. It's extraordinary romance. It's got an incredible score and great central role by Celia Johnson. And it's heartbreaking, and it's a tiny little film about enormous feelings.
What is your favourite British movie?
Shit, what's British? Is The Duchess British?
Who's in The Duchess?
Keira Knightley.
Yeah.
Is it British?
We'll take that.
Yeah, that's my favourite one.
And
It's really good.
what is The Duchess about? I've never seen it.
It's about her name's Georgiana. It's basically the Duke of. It's a period film, so
Okay.
it's like basically goes through the life of this wife of a duke. I can't remember, like one of the most important families in the country, and it just goes through her trials and tribulations as his wife, trying to produce him an heir. She had like an affair with this politician, something Grey. I can't remember his first name. But yeah, it just basically kind of walks through her life of her going from like a deluded teenager marrying this like kind of old man, and then kind of growing up, becoming one of the most influential people in the country. Everyone adores her. She's gorgeous. She's amazing at gambling, politics, all of that. But her husband is like the one person in England who doesn't love her.
Okay, and it's based on a true story?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. But
Yeah.
we don't... What's her name?
Georgiana.
Georgina, okay. And do you know when it was made, this film?
I don't know exactly. I think it was like maybe 2008, rough.
Okay.
It could be off, but it wasn't the 10s, so it was like 2000 and sorry.
Ah, it's okay.
8 roughly.
Okay. Wow, you sound like you know a lot about it. You watch it a lot.
It's a really good.
How often? Like once a day?
Not once a day. It's like one of those films that if you're looking for something, like, you know, if you're just like looking for something to watch and you don't want to start something new, I just kind of always end up going back to that one. So at least a couple times a year.
And you love a period drama?
I love a period drama. I love a period drama.
Yeah?
Oh my god, I love them. Rain on Netflix, and it's not a film, it's a series, but it's so good.
Okay, I've not seen that either.
Oh my god, so good.
I don't like
anything.
anything with a bonnet. Anything with a bonnet, I'm out.
Wow. Atrocious.
But
absolutely horrific.
I'll watch The Duchess. just
Watch it,
because
it's
of your
really
review.
good. It is a really good film, just in general, honestly.
What is your favourite British movie?
Oh shit, Dead Man's Shoes.
That is a
100%.
great
Constantine.
choice. Yeah.
I'll
it's-
go with either Quadrophenia or Babylon.
Babylon. I've not seen Babylon.
Got to check it, man.
What is it about?
Iconic movie. It's about set in Brixton, and it's about Jamaican people basically moving to Brixton and living in Brixton in like the 70s and
Windrush.
80s. Yeah, like after Windrush. And yeah, it's a quality movie, mate. Quality movie.
2, Quadrophenia.
Of course.
Because it was a life-changing film when I was 14, 15 when it came out.
Okay.
And one of the reasons I live in Brighton. The other film is also set in Brighton. It's Brighton Rock. Graham Greene.
Okay.
Brilliant.
And this inspired you to move here?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Could you explain what Quadrophenia is?
It's a film about a young guy called Jimmy, who was part of the mod movement in the 60s, and his rite of passage, coming to Brighton, falling in love, falling out of love, having a nervous breakdown, and which is what we all did.
Wow. Did you buy a scooter as well after you saw it? Did you really?
Yeah, I had
you have
a
a scooter?
Just watch things like Notting Hill,
Yeah.
Love Actually, that kind
Oh, I
of
see. So in
thing.
the Christmas mood, still wearing off.
And it's Colin, yeah.
Bit of Colin Firth
Bit
on
of
the
Colin
telly.
Firth. Colin Firth.
Absolutely. Who wouldn't?
Who wouldn't?
Seriously.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
who would you pick if you had to make the choice of Hugh Grant or Colin Firth?
Oh
Colin
gosh,
Firth,
both.
100%.
There would be no choice. Just do them both.
So there you go. James Bond, Colin Firth, Hugh Grant, and some Brighton-based movies. When I think of British movies, I tend to think of the more historical ones that highlight our British culture. Films such as Shane Meadows' England, Danny Boyle's Trainspotting, and some of the great Ken Loach films. We also have some good comedies too. We have With Now and I, Monty Python's Life of Brian, and Shaun of the Dead, which is a fantastic movie. Anyway, let us know any of the British movies you've seen in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our brand new exclusive Easy English channel, and we'll see you there. Bye!